In today's video, we'll be making carrot oil. If this is so interested in, kindly watch the video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're going to be making carrot oil for today's video. I have peeled my carrots and I am going to grate it, and we are going to use it to make carrot oil. I've done some recipe with carrot before. It's in the channel. Do want to check it out. Okay, so carrot is amazing. Like it is filled with a lot of amazing benefits for hair growth. Okay, carrot helps to prevent hair loss. It has biotin, it has vitamin C. Carrot helps to strengthen your hair from the root. Okay, carrot helps to reduce shading and breakage and thinning of hair. Okay, carrot helps to boost your hair growth. So I'm going to be adding olive oil into our pot, and I'll put my carrot inside. I am cooking this on a low heat, love, so a very low heat. Olive oil too is amazing for hair growth. It helps to thicken your hair, it stimulates your hair blood circulation to your scalp, so using these two combination of carrot and olive oil to get carrot oil is really amazing. All right guys, so I'm going to cook this in a very low heat, as I said earlier on, like a really low heat. So I noticed that my olive oil, it's not enough, so I added more. So you can add as much as you want. If you want to get a much bigger batch, you can use a lot of olive oil. So this is what my carrot is forming as. Please cook this very low, and please check your carrots, okay, so that it does not get burned. So loves, this is after a few minutes later. I am still turning it, making sure that my carrot does not get burnt and does not stick to the pan of the pot. Okay, so after this, you see another clip whereby the carrot is ready, the water has dried, everything is dried. You can see from the video. So I'm going to turn this into my cheesecloth, and I'll squeeze out our carrot oil. You can use this as on your skin, you can use this on your hair. Like carrot has a lot of benefits for our body and hair in general. Okay, so I'm just going to pour this and I'll bring out the oil. So love, this is what we are having. This is the oil we are having. Make sure you squeeze it out very well, not too much, so that you don't get out another more excess water. So this is what we have. You can use this, as I said earlier on, for your skin and for your hair. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is a very simple, easy way to make carrot oil, and I'll show you guys how I use this on my hair. Here is our end result. What do you guys think? I got enough amount of oil. I'm going to apply this on my skin to show you guys how it glows. Like it really makes the skin to glow. Okay, like can you see the palm? Can you see my palm? Like it will hydrate your skin immediately. So you can use this as your body oil as well, because it's natural ingredients we are using, so you can use this as your body oil as well. So guys, for this benefit of this video, I'm using this carrot oil for my hair, which I'll show you guys how I apply this on my hair. So besties, this is the carrot oil. I'm going to apply this on my hair. Previously I used carrot juice and aloe vera to hydrate my hair, so I'm going to using this carrot oil as my seal in to seal in all the moisture I have initially put on my hair. I'm going to use this to massage my scalp. Like, it gave me an amazing sensation in my scalp. It made my hair softer. It made my hair hydrated. Like, you need to try carrot oil on your hair regimen. It's really awesome. Okay, so as it's still a little bit warm and I used it on my scalp, like, I felt a lot of amazing sensation. So right here I'm going to apply this at my edges and massage it as well, so just to promote that blood circulation in that area as the oil is still a bit warm. So you can use this as your hot oil treatment, you can use this as a seal-in oil, you can use this anyway, even in your body. As I said earlier on, you can use it in different ways, guys. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you used carrot oil before? Have you tried this? I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're watching this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Like the video, guys. Please like the video, share. Leave your beautiful and awesome comment, and I will see you, my darlings, in my next video. Bye.